Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to self-host n8n in 2025 either on your local machine or a VPS. So step 1, install Docker. Make sure that Docker and Docker Compose are installed. On a local system, install Docker Desktop. On a VPS, you can run this code. Step 2, create a Docker Compose file. Make a new folder and inside it, create a docker-compose.yml file using this code. Step 3. Run the container. From the same folder that you created, you can run this one, and after that, you can visit this link or your VPS IP with port 5678. Step 4. Secure it for VPS. Set up HTTPS using a reverse proxy like Nginx with Let's Encrypt. You can use Cloudflare for added protection. So, in conclusion, that's it. That's how you create a hosting on n8n automation platform. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.